Hey, morning. Offshore fishing. Yeah, okay, cool. Jay said the same thing that somebody on TikTok said. Like literally the same words. The guy said this window, and you said this window. Same words. All right, Elliot. Live on TikTok, live on YouTube, live on Zoom. Okay, let's start pulling this stuff up. So for make a dip buy trade, you're saying MVIS. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, that's too slow for the chart to pull up, so I'm gonna just pull it up on my other system here. Yeah. No, that looks more like a day trade. Let's see. A day trade stock. Let me check the daily. But it definitely looks good. You could do it that way though, if that's what you want, Jay. Or who asked that? And is it Hunter? If that's what you prefer. Oh. All right. Well, anyway, I'm gonna keep Mavis up because that does look really good. Sono and okay, let me take a look at all of them. I'm gonna pull up the pre-market and on the market chameleon. Bottom, right down here, sundial. All right, RCMT is the leading gapper. The most pre-market volumes going into Tilray. We still have that up right here, but it's not something that has the right form for us. Can continues to do the right thing and has a great pre-market shape. Riot has a great pre-market shape. I'm going to get rid of BHTG and put in RCMT and take a look. AUVI does not look good, so we'll get rid of that. Tilray we'll keep. GME we'll keep because we just have to keep watching that. OGI failing. Get rid of that. Mara we'll keep. Mara has a good pre-market shape, and so does Riot. UAMY from yesterday has crapped out too much. We'll get rid of it. Sundial is hot today, so I think we'll keep it up, but the pre-market shape does not look good. Seems to be failing pretty strongly. But if it breaks 4.87 today, we will definitely go all in on that. And CGIX is totally crapped out. Trying to figure out where can I put my little window here. Okay, probably right there. Lyft is not in play today. MVIS, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's all right. If it breaks that high of 22.4, so 22.51, then you could go all in. I don't think it would be a mega dip buy, though. It looks a little bit more like a a day trade, a stock share trade. I'll put it down here so that we can keep our mega dip buy trades on the top. What do you think of Rolls-Royce Holdings? We'll probably take a look at that. Can you look at Bitcoin? we're setting up for day trading. We have 20 minutes until the market opens. So we're going to pick the 32 hottest stocks on the market, get them up on my radar screen here. And then we are going to kill it today day trading, whatever moves the most, whenever it is moving the most. And so right now we are pulling up every stock that looks good. ACIU. Let's take a look at that. OLB, I'm going to keep up. BPTH, I'll keep up. UAVS, not getting rid of that. ACIU. Hexos really crapping out. And then ACB is down. Really, we're looking at RCMT. And where did I pull that up here? RCMT. I want to take a look at that. Okay, there it is over there. I'm going to put it right like front and center right here. Yeah, that looks great. RCMT. I'll empty this spot out. CLSN on 7 million shares traded. Take a look at that. Futu is crapped out too much. Futu was a good play yesterday. PAC-B, not enough volume. CTRM getting a lot of momentum this morning. Let me take a look at the chart. AKER. Alpha is way down. I'm going to take it off the radar, Alpha, but I really like that one. Somebody let me know if it breaks 30. LMNL, nothing there. Mesa, I didn't like that yesterday. I wouldn't even keep that going. BSQR, nope. So, Jerry, let me know if it breaks 30, okay? And then I'll be back on it. RCMT right now is making a huge run. It just broke the pre-market high, which was 9.20. And it is a run to 1172 now. Pulled back to 1133. CLSN looks insanely good. CLSN was at 2, popped to 4. And that one only recently did so, like an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. So CLSN could really be on our radar. Type that in to the DOS trader. Ooh-wee. CLSN really running on some news. RCMT and CLSN may be our big plays today. All right. MVIS, yep. MNPR, Manpower. No, Monopar. MNPR. DMTK, bit low volume. I'm going to continue to go with my other list here. TMBR. TMBR. Let's take a look at that. I only tried it once before the window and just canceled my buy. So a lot of people are asking about Rolls Royce, so I don't know what's up with that. Let me go take a look. What's going on with Royce? What is the ticker? ROYC? RYCE? RYCE didn't come up. Maybe it's a different ticker. RYCEF. I think that's what it is. All right, so I'm pulling that up. Take a look at that. AKER. Not a great pre-market shape, but I'll keep it up. ACIU, also not the greatest pre-market shape, pretty much crapping out after the news, whatever news it had. I don't think PSTV is going to happen today, but I'm going to keep that up just in case. MTEM. I think that's a momentum trading stock or something. Let's see. MTEM. And we got HCMC. Oh, that's too much of a penny stock. Naked. It'd be interesting to see what's going on with Naked. Because it could end up like a sundial. ENVB, GTE, NAC, Sono, like you guys said, Sono, yeah. Sono could end up being an options trade, I think. Let's see. No, nothing really going on with Rolls Royce. I'm going to get that off of there. All right, 13 minutes to the market open. Checking out Sono and Meso. There goes MSTR more. And if you trade MSTR, you're going to have to use options, and it's going to probably therefore then be the 5-minute candles. MSTR closed at 974. It's now at 1,110. And TLND. Okay, yeah. And Meso. Yep. Got all those, yes. So, yeah, Jerry, just let me know if... oh, look at MNPR. Really rushing to break 16. Coming way up. That's right here. If anybody's holding sundial, like holding it, I told you yesterday in class, do not hold sundial anymore. It's completely unhinged. So if you have access to pre-market, hopefully you sold. MNPR just broke the pre-market high. If you could have got in, that would have been 16, and it's now at hit 1644. There it goes. It's breaking again. If anybody has pre-market trading ability, Next break is 17.01 all in, and it's coming right there. There, it just broke, and now it's at 17.20 and pulling back a little bit. Wow, you could trade the 1 minute candles if you have a somewhat slower setup, and in that case, don't go all in. Go something more like 10 or 20% in. Next break on MNPR is 18.01. Richard, it's really hard to pick out, I don't really predict them. I just go with whatever's breaking out. Right now it's MNPR and RCMT has been pushing. So that's why I watched, 30 stocks at the same time. MSTR. MSTR does not necessarily have a great pre-market shape. And it has already been in that range, 1255. So MSTR is no big deal. Sono is a bit flat, not bullish. But if it breaks 38.01, you could go all in on Sono, 38.01. Meso, Can looking good. Riot, Mara, RCMT. All right, next break on MNPR is 18.01. 18.01. If you can trade pre-market. TMBR, MTEM. Not much volume on MTEM, so I'm going to take that off and did I put TLND somewhere? I don't think I did. Yes, I did, over here. Not much volume on that either. Looks like Zillow. That's going to be our options make a dip type buy trade today. Zillow. It is up 12%. So Z. Let me take a look at the pre-market shape, but yeah. And it's got upgrades. Upgrades to 161. It's trading at 185. That looks to be the mega dip buy trade winner this morning. Zillow. Yep. Okay. All right, I have 7 minutes to the open, and let me see if there's any other picks to put on the radar here. I've got ACB. I can take off JB, and Crone is not running. It's failing. So, ready your options at the money, nearest expiration on Zillow. There goes MNPR. The breakout was 18.01, and it just hit 19.4. Who got that? It's breaking out. Oh, almost at 20. 19.74. All right. That's pulling back a little. Oh, it's pushing again. 19.81. Next break is 20.01. 20.01. MNPR all in at 20.01. Next break. And you play that, that's going to be like looks like a 20-cent ladder will be perfect. Yeah, MNPR might hit like 100 by the end of the day. This puppy is really moving. But you don't want to bank on that. Just day trade every breakout. 20.01 being the next one. Just enter stop limit order, 20.01. Stop limit. Maybe give yourself 10 cents of slippage. Stop 20.01 and 20.10 for the limit. Stop limit order. Okay, I'm not going to be watching that right now. I'm pulling up other stocks, so you guys trade that when it hits. Okay, where's DMTK? I want to make sure I have that up. Or maybe we looked at it and it just didn't look good. But I do not have DMTK up. And I know that's been highly talked about. It's not really on any radars anywhere. All right, I'll just keep it down here in the corner. DMKT. DMTK. Yeah, I did, Jerry. Because Keith said it has a 3 million float. That is why I said that. Funny, I don't see it on my scan lists. Why is it not up there? MNPR doesn't have any momentum this morning. That's funny. I think you should take a look at it. All right, DMTK is coming up. ENVB, let's take a look at that. There's Sono, Meso. Okay. BLCM. Did I not bring that up? BLCM. Pulling up BLCM. Really? CHCI again? All right, I'll take a look at CHCI. But let me make sure I didn't miss anything here. Tilray, ACB, OGI. I think I looked at it, did not look good. Naked, Zome. Not really pushing enough. CTRM. Yep, I got that up, and that's looking pretty good. Breakout on CTRM is at 1.68. And it looks like a 3 cent ladder. How about a sundial put? Yeah, I don't know about that. All right, 2 minutes to the open. All right, those of you on YouTube, hopefully you're all set. We try to reconnect you. Strange. You're all set with what we're going to be day trading today. Make sure you click the link in the description to come to our room, get a VIP 7-day free trial, and then you can day trade us